China Worldvist Holding Limited is a professional fastener company, which possesses independent import and export operation rights. Our company is mainly engaged in machinery facility, industrial equipment, and universal hardware, with abundant categories of more than 1,000 sorts. We are specialized in producing and exporting all kinds of fasteners. Our factory is specialized in manufacturing bolts, nuts, U-bolts, washers, etc. The company's production plant area is 30,000 square meters, equipped with advanced production facilities, 4 strut production lines, 86 various types of precision punches, 4 welding robots, mold processing center and other equipment. There are more than 260 employees. The monthly output is 2,400 tons, and the yearly output value is more than $28.5 million. The company has passed the ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14001:2015 Environment Management System certification, DB T29409-2013 Intellectual Property Management System certification, and OPSAS 18001. 2007 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification. There are more than 60 patents. Many products have been UL and FM certified. The company grows together with international high-end brands, provides customers with products that meet the requirements of the times and international standards, and provides customers with strong technical support and high quality and efficient service. For years, China Worldvist Holding Limited, guided by the developing and ambitious spirit, extraordinary, pioneering, mutually cooperative, and progressing, has been taking an active measure to widen the domestic and foreign markets. We have passed the CE and ISO 9001:2008 certification, and won the title of Russia Top 500 Export Enterprise. In addition, its brand CWGC has been awarded Top 10 prestigious China fastener brand. We have customers from more than 30 countries and regions in Europe, North America, South America, Africa, and Asia. We sincerely wish to establish a close and cooperative relationship with all the partners, both at home and abroad, so as to enjoy mutual development.